wonder where we're gonna go now. I wonder where we are. I don't know. Let's see what's in my bag. Oh, bro. 4 batteries. I think that batteries. I don't know. Just bring your camera. The camera. Right there. Helicopter? Did you call it and then stuff at the mail? Yeah. What's the thing? Help! Oh, in the middle of there. I wonder if we could find a jungle gym. See if they have any food. Jungle gym. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 dollars. Wow. Where's the store? I don't know. Smart. That wasn't really that smart. I'm gonna go search for some food. You can stay here and figure something out. Wait. Couldn't find anything. It was gone for 5 seconds. I didn't feel like going. Okay. Guess I'm gonna go again. Wonder where we can find something. Yay. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Ow! Boo. I wonder where she went. Hello. What's your name? I thought I was dead there for a minute. I heard screaming. What's the matter? Oh, she was chasing after me. Who? I don't know. What? I went like this and I was and turned. Then go behind there. Okay, I don't care about. What did it look like? He had a black jacket on. He's like this. I'm not sure. Wonder if he was trying to help us or not. Probably was. Look over there. I'll go see what it is. Yeah. See you later. See you later. Yeah. Hope it don't change colors just to get me. Crawl away, you stupid, filthy animal. Yeah. Get away! Get away! Get. Look it. Thank you, stick. Hope we don't come back. Hey! Okay, you can put this stick down. I heard you scream.
The men come back again.
Oh yeah, but
In blue jeans.
I'm in blue jeans.
Okay.
That was scary. Yeah, now see how you feel.
I knocked it down. I killed it. I hope. Crawled away.
Cool. There's nothing over there, just a barrel.
Funny.
What's that mean? Can we get out of here?
Go somewhere else.
Where do we got to go?
Look at all the woods behind us.
No. Where else? I mean,
There's nowhere else. I got protection. Okay, you want me to go searching?
yep. Yeah. Good idea. See you
I need
later.
to dig.
There it is.
Happy?
You hit this tree, does it? That was a hard hit.
Oh, it's just a dog. Come here, puppy. Ah! It bit my foot. Damn. I was just for the push. What was so cool? LOL. Do you hear anything? I do!
Get
no! What are you doing? Where did you get that black jacket?
Found it laying on the ground.
I found it laying on the ground.
Sorry about
And
that.
it was getting cold out there. So I started to look on my face. Now it's getting hot. Phew, this jacket's burning up. I really don't know what that was about.
That person.
Get your bag. 1, 2. Ah! That is the end, folks. Ah!